Hi, my name is Amy Gunderman. I'm the science teacher at Arlington Heights Academy. We are currently putting in a rain garden. The students submitted a proposal for the Caring for Our Watersheds competition, and they were selected as first place winners. The students came up with the idea by themselves to put in a rain garden to help with different pollution.
We're actually happy that we got to finish the project now that it's completely done. I can't wait till it gets all pretty and stuff. Yeah.
Sure.
I'm excited. I want then our next step with this is to have a sign applied to this and a bench so senior citizens of this neighborhood can come and sit down and enjoy the view of the rain garden.
And we're here installing a rain garden, and we've used a couple dozen species of native prairie perennials, bee balm, hibiscus, we've got Baptisia, which is a lovely deep-rooted purple blooming perennial. And the one thing that all these perennials have in common is they all have very, very deep roots. That deep root will help penetrate this clay soil and help the water infiltrate back into the ground. Just over the bridge over there is the Mill Creek, and our goal of this project is to capture this water and get it back down into the soil before it makes its way into the storm drain.